The fourth industrial revolution or Industry 4.0 is the ongoing transformation of traditional manufacturing and industrial practices combined with the latest smart technology. Companies across aerospace, automotive, defense, consumer goods, medical, and more are adopting digital fabrication tools towards Industry 4.0. Digital fabrication has become the road to overcoming challenges and optimizing workflows. Digital fabrication is a design and manufacturing workflow where digital data directly drives manufacturing equipment to form various part geometries. A wide variety of digital fabrication tools exist, from hobbyist-level machines to large-scale, specialized industrial equipment used in manufacturing. Accessible digital fabrication tools can bridge the gap between design and manufacturing. Achieving this requires undertaking a three-step approach. This presentation provides every company across various industries a definitive guide to conquering Industry 4.0. This includes the three-step approach, as well as in and outs of digital fabrication from workflows to digital fabrication tools. 1. Design. 2. Prepare. 3. Fabricate. The effective and efficient use of digital fabrication can provide production engineers to machinists the tools to tighten supply chains, improve production, and get to market faster. 3D printing is a digital fabrication technology that serves as a catalyst for efficiency. This deck also includes slide templates for you to use in your own business presentations. Want to learn more? To view this full document, check out the page linked to in the description below.